today's drive-by from Condo Sidekick, we're going to take a look at Beacon 260 at 260 Beacon Street in Somerville, Massachusetts. A lot has been done since our last drive-by in April, so we're going to see the exterior really coming together with a lot of the nice design elements. So let's go take a look. We are approaching Beacon 260 at 260 Beacon Street in Somerville, up here on the left. In the last drive-by from Condo Sidekick in April, we looked at Beacon 260 from the north, and this time we're coming up to Beacon 260 from the south. So that's why it's on our left. Also in April, we saw that just the exterior framing had been put up and the windows installed on Beacon 260, but this time we can see that the siding is actually being installed up there in the left upper corner. So the construction is coming along very well. This property will be a 17-unit condo building with retail on the ground floor. And because it's such a large building, you'll see here in a second that it's going to have a nice large atrium in the center, giving every unit plenty of light. Right next door is 266 Beacon Street, which was developed by the same developer and architect. So Beacon 260 will have a relatively similar architecture and look. So this location is near Porter Square and Inman Square in Cambridge, and also near Kirkland Village in Somerville. This is Beacon 260.